एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए होता है? 2 कप्स अच्छे लीड्स, एक शायद थोड़ा इमोशन स्वाद अनुसार और 1-2 चम्मच अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट। All of this, is this a recipe that Tarla has figured out? Let's find out. Hi, I am Pratiksha and you're listening to my review of Tarla. Tarla, directed by Piyush Gupta, stars Huma Qureshi in the titular role as the very very famous chef Tarla Dalal. Tarla Dalal शायद वो पहली एक फीमेल शेफ होंगी इंडिया में who was so widely known क्योंकि टीवी पे रोज उनका प्रोग्राम आता था. She had these cookbooks that were selling so fast. और मुझे भी ऐसा फीवर ड्रीम टाइप्स याद है seeing some of her episodes. I think Sudhanshu Pandey was in some of them, the guy who plays Vanraj in Anupama now. So I remember all of this. So for me who didn't really watch a lot of cooking shows then to remember this, मतलब जो लोग देखते थे उन्होंने तो तरला दलाल को इतना ज़्यादा देखा होगा. And so obviously they have decided to make a film about her life. I would say that this is more a film inspired on her life. I wouldn't call this a documentary or a biopic क्योंकि I think कुछ details ऐसे हैं जो उन्होंने story में थोड़े से change किए हैं. But the good thing is that this change isn't really melodramatic as such. They haven't changed anything to make her story seem, I don't know, happier than it is or sadder than it is. They've just changed some things here and there, maybe to add a little bit of tadka to their story. As Tarla, Huma Qureshi is brilliant. I love Huma Qureshi as an actor. Her range is so stunning, from like the films that she has done earlier to Monica, Oh My Darling, to a surprise cameo in Gangubai Kathiawadi. It's all a delight to watch on screen. And is role mein also she's so nice to watch, the innocent kind of determined Tarla that we see on screen. This film is the story of a young woman who decides कि उसको ज़िंदगी में कुछ करना है पर उसे ये नहीं पता कि उसे exactly क्या करना है. तो the drive exists but she doesn't have a clear mission in her head yet. ये जो drive है ये वो अपने suitor को भी बताती है जो उसका हाथ देखने आते हैं शादी के लिए. Her husband Nalin Dalal, played by Sharib Hashmi. Sharib Hashmi, brilliant performer, does a great job here also, very nice to watch. They also both have such a nice chemistry of like a married couple who has been together for a very long time. जो एक comfortable routine develop हो जाता है उनका is also very nice to see on screen. तरला के साथ क्या होता है कि after she gets married, she still hasn't found her purpose. तो बहुत सालों तक she kind of just gets into married life and we see her still kind of have this kind of sense of pride in her food. जब भी वो खाना बनाती है and someone's eating it, she's always looking on very earnestly, very nervously to see what they will think of her food. जब ऐसा कुछ होता है, she finds out her husband is eating non-vegetarian food, she decides to kind of somehow match his tastes through her vegetarian sensibilities. और this is when her innovative kind of spirit comes out. और ये सब फिल्में देखने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. This film isn't something like, it's not something over the top. ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. There's nothing very melodramatic. इतना sad ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होता है. The main struggles that Tarla faces is of a woman trying to be an entrepreneur in like the 1970s. People are not taking her seriously. There are so many microaggressions that she has to face. जैसे कि एक sequence में we see कि this man blames Tarla for what has happened even though she wasn't present in the situation and her husband was. तो ये छोटे छोटे microaggressions जो हैं फिल्म में काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से बताए गए हैं even though some of the things that they're dealing about it's a little superficial. The one thing about Tarla is that it's a little too long than it had to be. बहुत लंबी लगने लग जाती है film towards the end. The story is very nice. It's feel good. I think the best part about Tarla is just the film's heart is in the right place and it feels so nice to watch. इतना आराम से देखिए फिल्म, इतना अच्छा लगा देख के. It's just such a linear story. But in that linear story, if they had kind of made it more crisp, would have been much more fun. The music in the film is very soulful. It's very touching. In places, it's kind of funny. The background music is so-so. It's not brilliant, but it fits the theme of the film pretty well. One thing I like about the film is how DOP Salu Thomas has shot the film. हर एक emotion हमें दिख जाता है. We see these tight frames when Tarla is going through like emotional duress. और जब खाना shoot किया जाता है ना, I'm so glad that it doesn't look like something that has been made in a Michelin star restaurant. It looks like something that a very talented home cook would make. खाना लग बहुत सुंदर रहा है. It feels like something you would want to eat, but it still seems rustic. It seems homely. It seems warm. और ये सब फिल्म को बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट करता है and it's so nice to see. एक चीज़ would be कि I would have loved to see more food. You know, like I wanted to see more of Tarla's relationship to food outside of her wanting to make it for someone else. मतलब उनका खुद का relationship कैसा है खाने के साथ? How does she feel about her own food? Also kind of delve more into जब उन्होंने कहा कि उन्हें अपने शो के लिए एक मेल को होस्ट चाहिए. What was that dynamic like? What did that result in? There are a lot of questions that kept going on in my mind during the film, जो उनके अगर answers मिल जाते तो film में मज़ा और थोड़ा आता, and maybe its messaging also would have been stronger. All of that being said, Tarla is a very warm film. It's, I think, the film that we call feel good, जिसे बोलते हैं वही है movie. So if that's something that you're interested in, you should definitely watch it. And that is why my rating for Tarla is 3 stars out of 5.